Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out the Grand Vista Suite 7405 on the Carnival Luminosa. Hello. Alright, look at all of this closet space. Absolutely amazing closet space in this room. Okay, magnets are strong on this one. There we go. And as it became apparent to us as we were sailing, you definitely need those strong magnets because the ship going through the rough seas will slide back and forth and slam. So definitely need to make good use of those magnets being engaged. Two nice robes. And I've found in most circumstances, even if you're not in the suites, if you request a suite robe or a robe in general, they will bring you a robe, which are always nice to have to lounge in. Double sink vanity, lots of light, and a jetted tub. That was really nice. Also different in these bathrooms versus your regular rooms on Carnival, it came with the Elemis toiletries, so the soaps, the shampoo, all that was the Elemis brand. There's one outlet in the bathroom up there for shaving, and a magnified mirror here. But as you can see along the mirrors, plenty of storage for your toiletries and all of that. Let's check out the rest of the room. Very spacious indeed. Little bar over there for drinks and all of that stuff, and more storage over here. More drawers for clothes, and a safe up there. And I really like this area. It's got a little chair there and a lit vanity. So great for like your makeup, your hair stuff. They've got the hair dryer. There is one US outlet and one, I believe it's an Australian outlet there. And over on the other side here, that is the fridge. Most Carnival ships only have a chiller. This was actually a fridge. Got very cold, was very efficient. Definitely appreciated that. You can purchase the water, and then in the suites, each person does get one water for free. There's two more outlets, one US and one of the other kind. Bonus little storage shelf there. Hello, hello. And more drawers for storage. And there's storage on either side of the sofa. And that sofa or couch there did pull out into a full bed. And over here, that is actually a speaker. And then right there, there's some USB outlets and a little reading light. Absolutely loved that. Super cute. And more storage next to the bed as well. So plenty of little hiding spots for all of your stuff. Great little table. And look at this balcony, you guys. Absolutely incredible. Absolutely loved this. Could not get enough time out here. They're going to have to drag me kicking and screaming off of this ship. This room is absolutely incredible. It has one regular chair and then one chair that reclines back and a little table, as well as those two loungers. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It certainly helps out my channel. Until next time, goodbye everyone.